Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Now, I personally don't think the gold trade is over just yet. Now, I did sell some gold, GDX, on this day here, where we had a big downside reversal coming on high volume. But ever since then, GDX, as you see, has been creeping higher. And we're back to the highs here. So a definite change in character from what could have been the start of a new downtrend. Usually if you get a big downside candle like this, it's over. You got to go. But gold and GDX is kind of breaking some expectations. And so I ended up rebuying my GDX on this day, and I added a little today into the close, because I like the fact that it's able to recover and, again, break my expectations to the upside and make me buy back. And that's one thing that you have to do, I think, especially in this market. You have to have that flexible mindset. Just because you sold something a day or two ago doesn't mean that you can't look for another entry, because this market is wild. I mean, it is anything but orderly. And so I'm finding a lot of success in leaning into trends that break my expectation to the upside. And gold is one of them. If I look at GLD here, zoom out, you can see it came out of this nice downward sloping trend line. And now we're building kind of a shorter downward sloping trend line. A little bit of a flag formation here. And again, close to the highs. So I don't think gold's done. Let's look at AEM. Still okay. For the most part, above all the major moving averages. NEM, Newmont, close to the highs. Actually made a new high here today. Wheat and precious metals, again, really nice and tight here. Above all the major moving averages. Franco-Nevada, close to the highs. So I think you really want to keep an eye on and lean into some of the sectors that are working in this market. And gold and the gold miners are definitely one of those sectors. So I hope that video was helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And don't miss Dan Fitzpatrick's workshop this coming weekend called The Next Step. It's a 3-day workshop. I'm going to be there. Dan's going to be there. It's going to be a lot of fun. Details on our website, StockMarketMentor.com. We'll see you next time.